Hello learners, I am Ravi Purohit and I am back with another video. You are learning pattern making with Ravi Purohit. So in this video, I am gonna tell you 9 things where you should focus to become best pattern maker. So let us start this video. With my personal experience, I am telling you, if you have lot of skills, then you can sustain in any field and you can get what you want. You can get a good salary and even you can ask for good hike in salary if you are working somewhere. You can get a good job if you are fresher. You can do good in business if you have lot of skills. So my dear friends, you should acquire skill. So to do good in pattern making, a person should follow these 9 skills, and if you are focusing on these 9 things, you can do best in pattern making. So let's learn which 9 things are there where you should focus to become a good pattern maker. Before that, if you are asking me how a person can get skills, then my answer will be these 3 points you should focus and you can get a particular skill. So first thing is practice. You do a repeated task and with time you will be a skilled person with that task. Second is experience. With time you will be knowing if you do this mistake then what will happen in future, where you should focus so that mistakes will not happen, how you can do work faster, this you will learn with the experience. And third is training. Sky is the limit for improvement. Always you should go to next level. So training gives you that part which will which helps you to acquire another skills in a relevant field. So you should keep on practicing, and with experience you should not repeat your mistakes and you should learn new things with training so that you can become a skilled person. So in this video now we are gonna see 9 skills or 9 things where you should focus to become best in pattern making field. So now let's start the 9 things which where you should focus to become a skilled pattern maker. Let's learn this one by one. The first thing is understanding of take back and design. My dear friends, if you can't understand take back and design nicely, then how you can make good patterns? So there is a direct correlation between understanding of take back and design to good pattern. So if you understand nicely any design and take back, then only you can make perfect pattern. So the first skill that you should acquire is to understand take back and design. And how you can acquire these skills? By referring lot of take backs and lot of designs, and you should take a training in a particular department, that is pattern making department, and you should learn how that with the particular take back pattern maker is making designs or how pattern maker is making patterns. Second is pattern making. Now almost all industries work with pattern making software, and even to make a pattern in software, pattern maker must possess knowledge of manual pattern making, as manual pattern making is the base. If pattern maker doesn't know how to make pattern manually, then how he or she can make pattern in the computer? So manual pattern making is the base. So pattern maker must know manual pattern making, and this is the second skill or that second thing one should focus. So you should make lot of patterns, manual patterns. Third is good in measurements. Pattern maker always use measurement tape for various body or product measurement. A small error in measurement may lead to a big problem. To avoid such problems, pattern maker must be accurate in taking measurements. Next is good in mathematics. Pattern maker should be good in mathematics because he or she does lot of mathematics in day-to-day life. So especially addition and subtraction in inches, that to 1/16, 1/8, 1/4, 3/4, half inch. Because pattern maker will take a take back and he will make the patterns with the measurements which are mentioned in the take back. Next is product knowledge. Pattern maker must possess the knowledge of the product he or she is going to produce. In-depth knowledge of product will help pattern maker to solve problems. So a good product knowledge helps in solving lot of problems, and this you can learn with experience. So try to make many products so that you will face lot of problems and you will solve these problems, and these problems will help you in future to solve again subsequent problems. Next is good in accuracy. If patterns are accurate, then only the product will be perfect. The pattern maker should be accurate and responsible while pattern making. Next is good in software. Pattern maker must have the knowledge of any modern pattern making software used for pattern making. Nowadays, all apparel industry works with computerized pattern making. So if pattern maker knows any one software or pattern very well, then he or she can learn any other pattern making software very speedily. So pattern maker should be good in any one pattern making software. So to make a good career in pattern making, learn at least one software which makes pattern. Eighth is problem solving approach. Pattern maker must possess problem solving skill. For example, if any problem occurs and measurements are going out of tolerance after stitching or at quality checking, then pattern maker should able to solve these problems by making necessary or required changes in the pattern. Next is stitching. This is optional, I would say. If pattern maker knows stitching, then it will be beneficial to predict the problems that may occur to the operator while stitching, and before only a necessary step can be taken to avoid the future problems. So the above skills will help pattern maker to do his or her work nicely and accurately. So in this video, you learn 9 things where you should focus to do best career in pattern making. So focus on these 9 things and keep learning, and a link is given in the description box for more reading. You can visit my site Online Textile Academy. A direct link is given of this article in the description box. You can read that article for more learning. Thank you. Meet you in next session.